Welcome back to my channel Cars is Car. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 BMW i5. Positioned as a sporty, eco-friendly luxury sedan, the i5 is BMW's latest addition to its all-electric lineup, slotting perfectly between the sporty i4 and the luxurious i7. We'll explore the interior details, performance specs, and unique selling points of this stylish EV that blends BMW's classic driving dynamics with cutting-edge technology. Let's dive in. Interior. Starting with the interior, the BMW i5 doesn't compromise on luxury. The cabin is outfitted with premium materials, think leather, wood, and high-quality metals, which give it that signature BMW feel. At the center, you'll find the expansive curved display that stretches across the dashboard. This system integrates a large, high-definition touchscreen with a digital instrument cluster, bringing all your navigation, media, and vehicle controls right to your fingertips. In the rear, passengers enjoy generous legroom, and with the flat floor, thanks to the electric platform, there's even more space and comfort. The i5 also has a focus on sustainable materials, making it eco-friendly without sacrificing luxury. Performance. Now, let's talk performance. The i5 comes with two main powertrains. There's a single-motor rear-wheel drive version for those who prioritize efficiency, and a dual-motor all-wheel drive M60 variant for those who want more power. In the M60 model, we're looking at a combined output of up to 590 horsepower. This model can accelerate from 0 to 60 in around 3.7 seconds, making it a true driver's car in the EV world. Range is also impressive. The i5 offers up to 350 miles on a full charge, depending on the model, and supports fast charging capabilities that can get you from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes at high-powered DC stations. Unique selling points. So, what sets the BMW i5 apart in the luxury EV market? First, there's BMW's renowned driving dynamics. Its handling is sharp, and the ride is smooth, maintaining that sports sedan feel BMW is known for. Additionally, the i5 includes advanced tech features like autonomous driving assistance on highways and over-the-air updates that allow you to continuously upgrade your car's software. The i5 is also part of BMW's sustainability initiative, incorporating recycled and eco-friendly materials throughout the vehicle. Plus, with its sleek and sporty design, it's a head-turner on the road, striking a balance between elegance and sportiness. Conclusion. In summary, the 2025 BMW i5 is a fantastic option for anyone looking to step into the world of luxury EVs. With its combination of elegant design, cutting-edge technology, strong performance, and BMW's signature handling, it's set to make a strong mark in the EV space. What do you think of BMW's latest electric sedan? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews. Thanks for watching.